Welcome to Battle of the Best. The best snowmobile gifts is probably one of the most exciting categories to explore for anyone who loves the thrill of the ride, whether they're a seasoned rider or just getting started. Finding that perfect present can be a challenge, but with so many innovative and practical options available, you're sure to discover something that will make any snowmobile enthusiast's heart race with anticipation, ensuring their next adventure on the snow is even more enjoyable and memorable. Number 5. BLAVOR 10,000 mAh Solar Power Bank. For over a decade, BLAVOR has been a leader in solar power banks, earning the trust of millions worldwide. We use only the highest grade materials to ensure our products are reliable and safe for all your adventures. Experience the latest in charging technology with our USB-C port, offering 20W fast charging for devices like the iPhone 15, reaching 65% in just 30 minutes. It supports charging 3 devices simultaneously, so you're never without power. Our power bank features a safer lithium-cobalt battery with 50% more charge cycles than standard batteries. It's the smallest and lightest 10,000 mAh charger available, capable of fully charging an iPhone 8 up to 3.6 times. Crafted with flame-retardant materials and a waterproof silicone layer, this charger is built to last. Its comfortable, skin-feel coating provides a premium touch and exquisite appearance. This portable solar charger is designed for any adventure, boasting IPX5 waterproof, dustproof, and shockproof features. It includes dual super bright flashlights and a compass carabiner for added safety and convenience. Practical, durable, and fun, it's the perfect gift for outdoor enthusiasts. Keep your devices powered up in any condition, making it an essential companion for camping and exploration. What we like. This portable charger is built for the adventurer. With its robust solar charging capability and fast 20W output, it ensures you stay powered up no matter where your journey takes you. If you're an outdoor enthusiast who needs reliable power on the go, especially during camping or hiking trips, this is the perfect companion to keep your devices alive. What people say. It works especially well for iPhone users since you don't need an extra cable, which is very convenient. The flashlight works even when the power bank is dead, which is a nice bonus. The solar panel is flame-resistant and made from flame-retardant ABS and PC materials, adding an extra layer of durability and safety. It can charge up to 3 devices, one needing to be via wireless. The wireless charging works with most cases, which is good, and the USB ports are covered by a silicone cover if you happen to be walking through the rain. Number 4. OZERO Waterproof Winter Gloves. Introducing the OZERO Waterproof Winter Gloves, designed for ultimate warmth and protection. Whether you're hitting slopes or braving the cold, these gloves have you covered. Stay connected without sacrificing warmth. Our gloves feature sensitive touchscreen compatibility, allowing you to use your devices with ease. Engineered with advanced thermal insulation, these gloves keep your hands toasty even in the harshest cold weather conditions. Say goodbye to numb fingers. Don't let the elements stop you. They are fully waterproof and windproof, ensuring your hands stay dry and comfortable no matter the weather. Perfect for a variety of winter activities, including skiing, snowboarding, and motorcycle riding. They are the ideal companion for all your cold weather adventures. Looking for a thoughtful gift? These warm gloves make a perfect present for anyone who needs reliable protection from the cold. What we like. Keep your hands warm and connected this winter. These gloves offer excellent thermal insulation and are fully waterproof, ensuring comfort in the harshest conditions. If you're looking for gloves that allow you to use your phone or GPS without taking them off while skiing, snowmobiling, or just braving the cold, these are an ideal choice. What people say. The touchscreen fingertips work effectively, and the silicone grips help hold objects securely. Waterproof is great on them. Put it on, and the inside was completely dry. Touchscreen worked perfectly. Using the corners, I was able to easily bang out a text. Number 3. 34 Folding Emergency Snow Shovel, Red. Stay prepared for any winter situation with this essential tool. It's perfect for car travel, camping, or any backcountry adventure. Navigate winter emergencies with ease and confidence. Crafted from high-quality aluminum, this shovel is built to last. It's lightweight for easy carrying but tough enough to handle snow, mud, sand, or dirt. Featuring a foldable design, it stores easily in your car, ATV, or backpack. It's always ready when you need it without taking up valuable space. This tool isn't just for snow, it handles sand, mud, and dirt too. It's perfect for four-wheeling, camping, hiking, and adapting to various outdoor challenges. Weighing only 2 pounds, it's incredibly easy to store and carry. Its compact dimensions make it a perfect fit for any vehicle or gear bag, ensuring you're always prepared. What we like. Be prepared for any winter emergency with this compact and durable snow shovel. Its lightweight aluminum construction and foldable design make it easy to store and carry in your vehicle or pack. If you frequently travel in snowy conditions or enjoy backcountry adventures and want a reliable tool for snow removal or other emergencies, this shovel is a must-have. What people say. Super easy to fold and extend collapse. Nice quality feel to the mechanism and the locking bearings. It's aluminum so it's lightweight but it has that beautiful edge to scrape and slice through the ice. Sturdy tool not heavy, perfect for its purpose. Number 2. MuffPot Exhaust Food Warmer for Motorsports Vehicles. Imagine enjoying a hot, ready-to-eat meal anywhere your adventure takes you. Whether you're on a snowy mountain, deep in the woods, or on top of sand dunes, you can have a delicious hot meal right after your ride. Crafted from high-quality, food-grade stainless steel, every part ensures safety for your food. This durable material is built to withstand high temperatures and resist corrosion, giving you peace of mind. Designed to fit most all-terrain vehicles, it easily attaches to your muffler or exhaust. With an adjustable clamp and heating base, it ensures uniform heating for perfectly cooked food every time. Cook your favorite meals on the go. From roasting chicken to frying bacon or even caramelizing apples, it lets you prepare a variety of delicious dishes while you ride. Remember, it gets very hot after use, especially after a long day of riding. Always wear gloves when handling it to ensure your safety. What we like. Imagine enjoying a hot meal anywhere your ride takes you. This innovative device uses your vehicle's exhaust heat to cook your food, offering a unique culinary experience on the trail. If you're a motorsports enthusiast who loves to extend your adventures and enjoy warm meals in remote locations, this is the ultimate gadget for you. What people say. The Snowmobile Gift is a great addition to any collection. It's well made and looks just like the real thing. The details on this Snowmobile Gift are impressive, from the tracks to the engine. Number 1. American Flag Snowmobile Hoodie. Gear up for your next snowmobiling adventure with this comfortable hoodie. Perfect for those chilly winter rides. This pullover hoodie offers both warmth and style. It's designed for ultimate comfort whether you're on the trail or relaxing afterwards. Featuring a bold American flag design, this hoodie lets you showcase your patriotic spirit while enjoying the snow. Specifically designed with snowmobilers in mind, it provides the perfect blend of functionality and casual wear. Add this essential piece to your winter wardrobe. It's the ideal layer for staying warm and looking great during snowmobiling season. What we like. Show off your passion for snowmobiling in comfort and style. This cozy pullover hoodie is perfect for staying warm during casual outings or after a long day on the trails. If you're a snowmobiling enthusiast looking for comfortable and themed apparel to express your love for the sport, this hoodie is a great addition to your wardrobe. What people say. The hoodie fits true to size, very comfortable, and the black doesn't seem like it's fading after a couple washes. This sweatshirt is great and so soft. Good quality, son loves it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.